Hello everyone, welcome to Weimar Art for a new presentation. Today we're going to be painting a horse. He was walking by a pond with trees in the background and a faraway coast on the background also. To start this, we're going to underpaint the canvas with cadmium red light. We're going to add yellow on it, and then we're going to put ultramarine blue. Now we're going to sketch the horse and the trees. All the colors we're going to be using are listed on the screen right now. Just sketching the horse. The distant trees and foliage, and the distant shore. Applying some ultramarine blue and phthalo green together to the background. Now we are applying alizarin crimson with phthalo green in the background and on the pond area. Applying some dark area on the horse. And now we are putting white tinted with cadmium yellow medium on the horse. Applying the distant foliage with yellow mixed with white. And now we put cadmium orange and cadmium yellow medium. Blocking in the trees in the distance. Did you know that in 1518 people danced themselves to death for no obvious reason in Strasbourg, France. One woman started it, and others joined her. Within a month, there were 400 people involved. Many died from pure exhaustion. Isn't that something? That's alizarin crimson and phthalo green. Ultramarine blue glaze just over the whole canvas. Distant shore, we're still working on it. Cadmium orange in the foreground. Did you know that before the invention of color TV, 75% of people said they dreamt in black and white? Well, today only 12% do. Isn't that something? Putting some burnt umber in a dark area. Adding some white tinted with cadmium yellow again for the foliage in the distance. White tinted with cadmium yellow again on the horse. Shades of the trees on the pond. That is still phthalo alizarin crimson with phthalo green. The horse is shadow. Highlighting the horse. Did you know that a female architecture student prevented a Manhattan skyscraper from collapsing in the 1970s when she caught a massive design flaw? Thank goodness she was there. marking up, blocking in certain details on the horse. And the background, trees and limbs. Did you know that paper bags are not any better for the environment than plastic ones? Think about it. Did you know that Earth used to be covered with giant mushrooms that were 24 feet tall, and 3 feet wide instead of trees? Interesting. Well, at this moment, I would be painting mushrooms instead of trees. Thank God. Applying green for the side trees and shrubberies, and that sap green mixed with yellow. Bringing it down for the grass around. And in the foreground. Now sap green with lemon yellow, just to brighten the foliage on those trees, on the shrubberies around the pond. bringing it down on the grass in the foreground. Ultramarine blue glaze over the pond. Working on the distant shore again. Phthalo green glaze over the pond. Some white stretches just for the water. Finishing touches on the horse. Distant shore, still putting on some more burnt umber. Still working on the grass, some dark areas on the grass on the foreground. A little bit of highlights, yellow and white. Signing the name. And that was this presentation. Thank you for watching this video. Appreciate your help and your support. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one. Until then, you all have a wonderful day. God bless you. Stay safe with this coronavirus pandemic. Bye.